Stop everything for a second. What if your thoughts could become a movie instantly? No typing, no cameras, no actors, just your brain and artificial intelligence. This is not just a science fiction anymore. By the end of this video, you will understand how this works, why it's so powerful, and why it might change filmmaking forever. Here is the simple version. Every idea in our minds send out a tiny electrical signal. AI can now recognize patterns in those signals using brain scanning technology. Those patterns are turned into words, visuals, and even actions. So instead of writing script, we just think the story and the AI creates it in real time. Our imagination basically becomes the keyboard. This is not just a hype. This is not a rumor either. Top universities have already tested this technology. In real experiments, artificial intelligence recreated the images people were thinking about. Not random guesses, but recognizable visuals. In some tests, just 2 minutes of brain data generated pages of story content, and this is only the very beginning. Now picture this. You think of a car chase racing through a neon lit city. The AI creates the scene, the dialogue, and even the camera angles. You imagine a love story. It shapes the emotion and the pacing. You imagine a horror scene, lightning, tension, sound design all appear instantly. Your mind becomes the writer, the director, and the producer. This has the power to reshape filmmaking completely. Moreover, movies would no longer be restricted by budgets or equipments. In fact, anyone with imagination could create meaningful stories. Similarly, solo creators could stand alongside major studios. Storytellings become pure expression rather than technical mastery. Consequently, the gatekeeping disappears, and that's thrilling and slightly terrifying. Imagine a world where ideas take shape instantly. Moreover, no more limits on location, budget, or resources. Creator can bring visions to life that were once impossible. In fact, character, world, and story appear directly from imagination. From indie creators to global studio, everyone can compete on a level playing field. And the stories, they can be bigger, bolder, more immersive than ever. The tool we use today are just the beginning. Furthermore, tomorrow AI could collaborate with your thoughts in real time. Scripts, visuals, sound, and editing all happening as you imagine them. Your creativity becomes a live, interactive engine. As a result, boundaries between dream and screen will start to blur. But here is the uncomfortable question. If AI can read thoughts, who controls that idea? What happens when this technology leaves the lab? Right now, it's still a demo, but AI evolves fast. Text to video didn't exist a few years ago either. So think about this. If your thoughts become a movie, what story would you create? Comment it below, like this video for a deeper breakdown, and subscribe to FutureScope.